looking good. Jet tone's back again. Coming up on the tree. Vehicle reports entry interface. At this time, it will begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. We'll use that for all the maneuvering in the atmosphere we're about to do. Back copy tones. We are standing by for guided start and start of guided entry.
Nav can see the entry in the atmosphere in the Doppler.
We are beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle has just reported via tones that it has started guided entry. At this time, the vehicle is beginning to steer its way to the target. It is starting its first bank reversal. First bank reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We have passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing Gs on the order of 11 to 12 Earth Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
Bank reversal 2 is starting. We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey. Bank reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal increases to respectable levels.
There we go. We are now seeing
and we have
Odyssey.
RTDPs.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated.
They've entered heading alignment.
There we go!
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange and is just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air used minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2.
1.2.
The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading toward the target.
Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay. Copy. Power on.
We are seeing a tone from indicating that we have seen heating on the heat shield through the MEBD instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During this heading alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so.
Way better.
Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignment. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right, and parachute deploy. Vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. The predicted mid downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL ops, Odyssey systems on EDL ops.
Parachute deploy. Parachute. Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on shoot. We are decelerating.
Risk mode under
our 10 kilometers decelerating and descending. We are at 150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
active.
Valid range.
Net filter converged with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Feed shield has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some Tweedo warnings. It is in battle short mode, so I should power through them.
Director Earth Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8
We are priming
meters per second.
start enabled, standing by for batch cell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey remains
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yep. EDLCOM configured.
Vermu stable.
We have telemetry.
Vermu stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyway should be complete. Descent stages at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
Getting data from the surface of Mars.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks! PL Ops, the signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get images.
We got images
from Odyssey.
coming down, folks.
EDLCOM configure standby for images. We have
Seeing thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey is nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete.
Got thumbnails.
Full image complete. Full image complete. a wheel.
There we go. We can see a wheel image. We are wheels down on Mars.
Oh my God. We'll give a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the screen. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No. 256.
Okay, okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got, it's a 64 by 64 thumbnail. The front, a rear Hazcam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear Hazcams.
These are the rear Hazcams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust. The cover is the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we have just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get. Oh yeah! This is the high res. This is a 256 by 256 image. This is a higher resolution. You're seeing dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same engines going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
exactly.
On the surface of Mars.
Yes. Oh wow! Now we have another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
If anybody in the MSA is listening, you should check out our target location on this current fly-through. If anyone in the MSA is online, you should watch this fly-through.
are very pleased now to have with us the administrator of NASA, Charlie Bolden. Welcome and congratulations. We're on Mars again.
We're on Mars again. I'll tell you, it's just absolutely incredible. It doesn't get any better than this.
What was it like for you? Were you on pins and needles just as much as we were?
I was a basket case. And I was really on pins and needles, and you know, it was the irony was we were sitting there saying we know we're on the ground. We just don't know what kind of shape we're in. So to hear the calls come, saying everything was all right, it was great.
And how about seeing the pictures?
This is, I mean, that's incredible, and it's a huge day for the nation. It's a huge day for all of our partners that have something on, you know, on Curiosity, and it's a huge day for the American people. So, as I told people as we went around earlier tonight, everybody in the morning should be sticking their chest out saying, "That's my rover on Mars," because it belongs to all of us.
Well, that's what I'll be doing tomorrow morning.
You should do that. You should do that.
Well, thank you so much for dropping by. I know that you are getting ready for a news conference.
We are.
We are so glad and so pleased you could join us.
Well, thank you very much, and thanks for carrying us through this whole thing and making the public able to see what's going on here. I've been watching you, and it's been great.
It's a good day. All right.
It's a great day.
In a moment, we will have Dr. Charles Alachi, but let's go back to the room for a bit.